Hey, I'm TimeGazer9753, and today I'm going to be unboxing Darkus nillious. So, bakugan obviously is just starting to come around in Australia. We've been getting Wave 1. Some people have already found Wave 3, but no Wave 2. So it's like, Spin Master, what are you doing with this, like, the shipping and stuff? Like, people are finding Wave 3, but all of Wave 1's not even here. And we definitely don't have Wave 2. Like, the official release hasn't, like, hit yet, or, like, the date, because it's supposed to be next month, but it's slowly coming. Anyway, so I found this at Target in Frankston. So anyone that lives in Victoria, Frankston area, I guess. Mornington Peninsula, I guess you could say. Yeah. So anyway, there's nearly, so they have cores, and they had some ultras, no diamonds, which was kind of crap, but whatever. I mean, Giraton found some diamonds recently, Wave 3 diamonds, which was really weird, because, yeah, again, Spin Master, and this distribution. So anyway, so we're going to open up nillious. I opened up some other bakugan, but the footage got corrupted or something. RIP. So I'm going to show off those as well in this video. So first off, just get into nillious. Oh yeah, this is the international. So here's the back. Yeah. It's like international. Let's get into it. Oh, just tear that off. Chuck that away. Oops. Oh, my computer just went off. Oops. That's the Australian Bakugan Discord. So anyone in Australia should join, I guess. It's the nillious card. Chuck that away. Pull this out, and the cards just fall out. Wow. I'm gonna get the Baku cores. Pop. Oh, really pop out. Put the cores down. Chuck that away. Chuck this piece of plastic away. Put that away. Yeah, so I was just out. I wasn't even going, like, Bakugan hunting. I was just, like, I just happened to have been, like, in Frankston getting groceries, food, other stuff. And I was like, I'm gonna go check Target, because there was no Bakugan at Target. There wasn't much at Kmart. There still isn't much at Kmart in Frankston, but so I went to Target and I was like, oh, they have Bakugan now, so that's cool. I'm gonna get this out. I'm gonna get some scissors, because I don't wanna. Oops. Don't wanna ruin it. Wow. I'm gonna grab that. I'm just gonna leave that in. Who does editing these days? Not me. Okay, I do actually edit sometimes. When I can be bothered. This is very awkward video. This is really stuck in there. Damn. Oh, there goes the Discord again. And there's nillious. Chuck that away. Oh, my room's a mess. All the packaging. Anyway, this is Darkus nillious, the core. Looks really cool. Like, really cool. Oh, I like nillious. I remember this is like a... Yeah, just chuck that before. So yeah, so there's nillious. Yeah, so we're just gonna see, how does this work? So do we just do this? And then just clip that. Oh, okay, that's kind of easy. I mean, it's a core. So, yeah, I'm just going to stick them over here. Boop. So we're going to look at the cores now. So it comes with a green fist and a helix. So that's kind of cool. Let's see what we got. So 100B, and for Pyrus and Darkus, it's +3. Awesome. It's not amazing, but it's good. Because it's Pyrus and Darkus, and I like Pyrus and Darkus. So yes, the Helix is 500B, but -1 damage. So that's pretty good. So no, you get, because it's the international version, you get 3 character cards. Nillious character cards that don't have any abilities. So if they had abilities in text, they'd be in different languages. Like this would be the English one, I think, because it has like lettering. I don't know if you can see that. That doesn't want to focus. Anyway. So yeah, that's all of that for nillious. So I wanted to go through the other background that I did unbox that I lost the footage for. So we got the Baku case. Whoops, I knocked the camera. The Baku case. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, so we got the Baku case. Pyrus one that came with Dragonoid. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that in. Yeah, have a blue hole or something. So knock it over with the carry case. Cards out. I don't remember which core came with what, so just to clarify. So we have Dragonoid, it came with the case. So this was an international one as well. Again, live in Australia. So I can't even find the cards. Oh yeah. This is Dragonoid. There's other one somewhere. There's another Dragonoid. And here's another Dragonoid. So there's that. So there's that. So that's Dragonoid. Next up, Halcor Ultra. This is another international one. So 3 character cards. So Halcor comes with a shield and a helix, and Dragonoid comes with a flaming fist and a green fist. So that's kind of cool. What else do we got? Next up we have, this is the last of my bakugan collection, I guess, that I own. Chaos Garganoid. So this one I actually bought online before Bakugan was in Australia. So as Bakugan was just coming out in America, I got this. So it's not the international, so it's only 1 card. So down here it'll just say English instead of having the 3 languages listed. And he comes with a shield and a green fist. So these are all the calls I have, other than the nillious one, they're under the cards. 200B shield, 400B Chaos and Pyrus, so this one came with the Garganoid. +3 attack, plus 150B +4 attack. Playing with this, another one was green fist. Helix -100 -3. Green fist plus 150 +2 damage. So yeah. Also the there's also the, what do we call it? Halcor came with Umbral Slash card. Oops, I just dropped a card. Yeah, so it comes from Umbral Slash, 3 copies, because it's international. I think I'm right. I might be wrong. But Juggernaut comes with Blooming Glam. Blinding Glam. Hard to see it to the camera. Yeah, so not international, so it comes with 1. I ended up buying 1 pack, which was kind of not a mistake, but it was like I didn't have it. It's like it's cheaper to get the card collectors with the big card because you get 3 packs plus, and it's cheaper than buying 3 packs separately because they're $7 a pack in Australia, which is kind of crap. But oh well, I had enough for 1 pack, and I bought the hardcore at the same time, so I was like, I'll buy a pack. Why not? Just to open a pack, just for the fun of it. So I recorded opening the pack with the hardcore, but again I lost the footage, which is annoying. Hopefully they don't lose this footage. So these are the cards I got. So we got like a Whiteout, BS Boost, Suckling Warmth, Iris Strike, and for the rares I got like Diamond Fangzor, Hyper Hydorus. Oh, there's 2 more commons. Broken Shield, Paralyzing Potion, yeah. And then I got an awesome rare, which was Endless Growth. And my Hex was a rare, which was Hyper Manta Nodorch, which was pretty cool. And yeah, wait, did I show the case? I think, yeah, I did. Anyway, so this is my collection of like Battle Planet Bakugan. I only own 1, like from like the old series. I owned other ones, but I kind of lost them or sold them or something. I don't know. So I own. Do I have a claw around here? Oh, there's a claw here. So I own this. It's kind of scratched. I don't know. Wish it wasn't, but so it's Ventus, Diablo, and Angelos. I think that's the name. So it's the Preyas 2. Yeah, so it's kind of cool. And yeah, that's pretty much my Bakugan collection so far. Probably, so this is recorded on Friday. Hopefully this comes out today, if the footage isn't mented. So yes, this will come out Friday, and I'm gonna go probably Bakugan hunting again tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna go Bakugan hunting again tomorrow, and then, but not in Frankston again. I'm gonna go to probably Rosebud or Mornington or something. Check out different targets, different Kmarts, that kind of thing. Hopefully find diamonds, because that would be awesome. Also, I didn't even check nillious' stats. Like, it was 500. There it is, 500. So that's kind of cool. Probably should check that list. So it's 400 on Argonoid, 300 for Alcohol, and 200 for Dragonoid. I mean, I could have just checked the cards, but now I gotta pick up all this. So yeah, catch you all next time, and hopefully I'm successful tomorrow. See you then. Laters.